Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Happy November the 12th, Thursday. Hope everybody is having an amazing, amazing start to your wonderful, wonderful day. Guys, say it. Today is going to be a great day, all right? It is going to be a great day. So, guys, today is the day that I show you guys what's in the room, what's in the family. Well, actually, now it's going to be the lounge room. So yeah, I wanted to get me a cup of coffee first to start off our video today, our vlog video, whatever you want to call it. Guys, it is a lovely day. Make the best out of it. I don't care what's going on in your life. It's still a beautiful day. You cannot take away what the Father does every day of our lives. You can't take that away. So y'all get into it. She's having a cup of pumpkin spice with a little bit of whatever this is. Oh, this is caramel macchiato. That's what I was trying to tell you guys the other day. So yeah, once we get this coffee started, I'm gonna take you guys back there and we're gonna get into it. And y'all, I want y'all to be honest with me today. Please be honest with me today, your YouTube sister, friend, therapist, spiritual guidance person, counselor. I don't know. I just want y'all to be real with me and let me know, what did y'all really think was back in that room that I was keeping from y'all? Before you even see it, I want y'all to drop in the comments today, what did y'all think was in that room that I didn't want to show y'all yet, or I wasn't prepared to show until I got like more things in there? I want y'all to be honest with me. Okay, I don't like fibbers, so please don't do that to me. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna put you guys on hold until my coffee finishes. Okay, I think she's done. Let's unplug her, like so. Do you guys unplug y'all stuff? Please unplug, please unplug. I got my vitamins here, my hair, skin, and nail pills. So let's go back here. Oh, and guys, the lady came and got the mirror yesterday, and I'm so happy because, to be honest, she was a beautiful person. And most of the time when I sell stuff on OfferUp, I meet the sweetest people, y'all. I really, really do. And I think it's nobody but the Father just connecting me and lining me up with people just to have a little chit chat talk or whatnot. But she was a foster parent, and she was getting the little girl was like 15, and she was actually buying the mirror. She had her own little money that she handed out. I let her, come into the side and look at the mirror, make sure she liked it. So guys, if you don't know, me and Mark made that. Well, actually, he did. I think I just bought the materials, but he made that floor mirror for me. But it was just time to let it go because we got rid of all the bling stuff. So yeah, but the lady was really nice. And most of the time, you guys know, foster parents, they usually tend to want to take all the money and things for themselves. And how did I know she was a foster parent? The lady told me. She was just talking to me. Yeah. So y'all, we're gonna get ready to go back here to see what's up. I'm so excited. You guys are gonna put together this room with me with the decor that I just found, okay? So look, guys, here is the vase filler. Ain't that pretty? Look at her, y'all, on that table. So these are some Fashion Nova jeans, guys, that my daughter gave me the other day. I don't know nothing about Fashion Nova, but I thought they were really cute. She kept saying she found them at Savers. She was like, "Oh, Mama, you'll like these. They're really cute in your style." I really do like them. So one day I will wear those for you guys. So are y'all ready to head back to the back? Huh? So hold on without showing y'all too much, but remember the mirror was like right there, y'all. Right where the plant is, there is no more mirror. So she's gonna have to get ready to find her something else to put there. So guys, are y'all ready to see what it is that I've been trying to hold out and show you guys? Please do not fib with me. Please let me know in the comments, what did you guys think? So without further ado, I'm just gonna show y'all what it is. Ta-da! There she is, guys. Here is the matching baby. So, okay, story behind this really, really quick. The day that we got that couch and picked it up and everything, we asked them about the floor sample. This is the first thing that I seen when I first went to Big Lots and actually was like in search of something. this is what we seen. So they told us that day that if someone came and bought the last one, that we could get the floor sample, and we can also get something off the floor sample. It is in great condition, as you see. There is nothing wrong with this beauty. And guys, I love it, love it, love it. I put the plants over here already. I've done moved this plant here. I think we're a little bit too bright. Let me try to tame it down a little bit. Okay. I end up putting that plant right here. I moved it from here to here. Put this one over here because, guys, this is going to be getting a new TV, a bigger one. So that's why I moved that here. So yeah, guys, what do y'all think? And what did y'all think it was? Please be honest with me. I love it. This is the love seat, guys. So if you're wondering price point, this was, we couldn't get the 20% off. He said he just couldn't do it. So it was end up being like $270, or no, it ended up being was it $270 or something? I'll go back and check. I think it was somewhere in there. So guys, y'all are going to decorate this room with me with these pillows, with everything that you see here. This throw that I thrifted before and the things that I just recently got. And we have some more pumpkins grass. So yeah, guys, sit tight and get ready, and we're gonna get started. I gotta find somewhere to put my coffee and we'll get busy, okay? All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna take these pillows, the gray one, this pretty royal blue one that you see here, and I'm gonna just place them on the couch where I think I might like them to go. So we'll do that. And then I'll give you guys a tour of how it looks, how it turns out. So I think this will be better if I, this one doesn't have the, you can karate chop it, but it's okay. So I think that's pretty cool. And then we'll take, let me move my coffee over here. And I'm gonna take this book. Y'all remember this book here? Let's take that and place it in the basket. And what else can we do here? I am going to, oh, okay, let's do this. Put this here. Put that there. And then we're going to take guys can see what it is right now. Put that there. And then let's start over here. So I'm going to slide this over like so. And I think I'm going to place this up here. Let's see how that looks. And I'm going to put maybe 2 pumpkin grass in here. Y'all, it's cool. They're moving, okay? That's cool. Okay, so let's take these 2 here and put those here. Like so. And we don't need this one anymore, so we'll put that one over there. And let's see what else. We're gonna take this beauty here that I just thrifted, and I'm gonna put one of these jasmine bouquet, one of these little tea light things here. We're gonna put one of these in here, and then I'll probably show you guys in another video how that looks once I'm done with everything. I'll probably do it tonight, so I'm just gonna put it in here for now, so it'll be in there. So we're going to set this over here. And I'm going to keep this up like so. Okay. And the last but not least, we're going to just take this beautiful row and we're going to just hang it over the basket that we just got. It up a little bit. It has a tag on it, guys. Like I said, this was brand new, so did worry about doing anything. I'll probably put it in the dryer with some disinfectant or something and do that. And I did clean this basket out and spray it. So let's put it right here. So guys, that is it. So let me know what you think. I'm gonna bring you guys around so you can see everything. So yeah, guys, this is how the room looks now. I absolutely love it, love it, love it, love it. Look at that. Everything is in order. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So I don't even think I'm gonna get a table in here, guys. I think what I'm gonna do, and this is what I did to the ottoman, I just put our pretty book right there, put a pumpkin right there, and yeah, I think I'm gonna probably get a lamp or something to go right here, something very mid-century modern. So guys, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in another video, okay? Remember what I said, be honest and let me know. Did you think it was a sofa, or tell me, what did you think it was? So yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Bye. Bye, guys. Bye. So beautiful, so beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh.